From the company, provided Baseus 20,000, 65 plus watt, 67 to be exact, a USB-C power bank for computers, laptops, smartphones, and cameras, and more. We're going to unbox, show you what you get inside. This is what the box looks like. Pulling out the product, show you how nicely it's packaged and protected. Baseus, your smart charger. Please peel off the protective film, the size of a nice large hand, with the display window lit up. An instruction, quick guide, and stickers all included. The included charging cable PD20 is included on top. It's retractable up to 2.5 feet. In order to retract, simply give a little tug, snaps right back into place on top. A little light shows on top of charging up to 100%. Please remember to charge your unit for the first time. We have two ways of charging. One port on top is an input-output charging with the blinking 4 up to 100%. In this demonstration, we'll take the USB-C and plug it into the PD20 output source. As you can see, the fast charging light in the circle charging. As you take note on the charger, at 45 watts pushing out. With 4 ways of charging, with either the cable or plug on low amperage or high amperage, we are charging at 45 watts fast charging with an optional 65 watt brick. As it nears its charge at 100%, it slowly drops down from 45 to 20, all the way down to 0. We're completely charged. It stays at 100%. To shut the unit down, long press. To turn the unit back on, short press. The 67 watt unit can charge and run a laptop by simply plugging in. You hear the ding and the percentage showing you the window of a yellow fast lightning number, 100%. And we're able to turn the unit on, and off we go. If we need to charge other power banks and more, we have a number of ways to charge. 67% at 9.1 volts at 2.3 plus amps, 3 amps. We are charging this unit. This camera charges at 9 volts, 3 amps. Simply charge it into the port. The unit will be fast charging. We're already fully charged at 9 volts, 3 amps. The unit is a USB-C to C charger. We're going to be charging a camera by simply turning on, plugging into the side, and charging up via the USB-C port, as well as charging another camera as well. Everything that you need in a power source. Plug in your power bank to the port, and the unit will charge. Takes a couple of seconds to charge, and there we go. So if you're looking for power to charge your unit and run your laptop, cameras, and more on the go with 20,000 milliamps with a port and rechargeable cable for your own needs, you need to have an optional brick in order to charge the unit, or an optional USB-C to C cable for fast charging. I hope you enjoy your product, and thank you for viewing.